BigHand Quantum is a next-generation business intelligence solution focused on empowering organisations to drive real business change through the use of analytics. The solution is split into 5 modules: revenue, general ledger, profitability, partner performance, and management accounts. Key financial information is presented in simple dashboards personalised to the user's role. Content can be tailored to your firm's needs, allowing businesses to align focus on meaningful key performance indicators throughout their organisations. Users have the ability to drill down into granular information, showing trend analysis, top rankings, budgeting, and target analysis. All data can be sliced and diced based on clients, matters, offices, sectors, and more. Lockup Dashboards give each user an insight into the aged WIP and debt to better control their lockup days. Fees Dashboards offer a view into the fees billed, recovery, and realisation against firm-wide budgets. And Collections Dashboards show invoice-level information detailing cash receipts and collection trends to aid cash flow forecasting. BigHand Quantum also offers profitability analysis, detailing the profit waterfall from standard value to direct margin. Profitability can be analysed on all levels, including client, matter, department, individual, and more. BigHand Quantum also offers general ledger and management account reporting, showing ledger transactions in a structured, reportable format. Actual to budget analysis is available throughout the month, allowing users and budget heads greater control over their costs. Full transactional information is available to give greater data analysis to finance teams. From the practice of law to the business of law, with BigHand Quantum, driven by data.